It's giveaway time, and here we are with the Marts Digital as promised. They're not even out yet. We have the first model here. By the time this video pops, they should be getting in the US. So you could get the first one, the one we actually did the unboxing with. How are you gonna win? Well, you have to like the video always, comment your name, location, and why you should win. Okay, then you have to share the video out. And I'm gonna tell you what, we're looking for you to share it in groups and stuff. We wanna get the word out there for BigJeffAudio.com and also Marts Digital. Okay, so you did that part. Next, real simple. You're gonna text the word Marts, M-A-R-T-S, and you're gonna text that to our number, 737-244-5333. That's 737 Big Jeff, real simple. When you send the word Marts and text it to our number, you're gonna get all replies saying you entered. Please reply back with your name, your email, and it's gonna ask you for the code word. The code word was in the unboxing that we just did last week. So if you didn't watch it, you need to go back. We'll have a link in this video. Once you did that, you're done. So you have to like, comment, and share. And then you gotta text the word Marts to 737 Big Jeff. You'll get an auto reply, and it's gonna ask you for the code word. Then we will pick the winner, and we always announce them on the Big Sound by Big Jeff podcast, so we'll make sure everybody knows. And you could be the winner of this brand new, never even out before, Marts Pulse Edition 3K. So the giveaway starts now.